Okay kids, I have a meeting in a few minutes and I want to put together some dinner. So I have a pork roast in the fridge that is all defrosted. And I let my skillet sit in the oven without any oil, so it's looking a little ratty at the moment, but we'll fix that up here in a minute. Alright, I would normally go for more onion than this, but this is what I have handy at the moment. Gotta go shopping tomorrow. So I'm just gonna peel and skin it. Sure, I'm gonna do that out of your view, but here you go. Peeling it off. I'm just gonna throw in chunks of this onion. That's what I got. I have carrots. These are the peeled kind that came with my pot roast the other day. A little exciting. And some potatoes, similar sort of thing. Let's see. Let's cut a couple of those that are looking a little bit on the big side. So I'm just going to check for anything funky. These have already been washed. I like to do that ahead when I can. That should be kind of good, and I'm going to just make everything face down if I can so that they get searing from the pan. I'm going to do a little bit of olive oil. Well, that was not where it belongs. That was a waste of olive oil. I apologize. We do not like to waste olive oil. Stuff's not cheap. Putting a little bit of salt, and I've got fresh thyme outside, but since I've got a meeting, I am just gonna do this instead with the dry thyme. And I have this pork butt roast. I think this piece is the piece with the big bone in it. Yeah, there's the bone. And we've got some fat on top, and it's a little thick on this side, but we're just gonna roast it as is. It was actually twice that size, and I cut it in half for 2 different meals, so we're gonna pat that skin a little dry so it might crisp up nice. Gonna hit that also with some thyme. I'm gonna put my oven. Actually, we're gonna convection roast at 350. Start. When you do convection roast, it actually puts the temperature a little bit lower, and it runs a fan that makes your temperatures more even. That was a little bit of pepper. And we're going to do a little bit of salt. And that is preparation for dinner. It is about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Since I'm working at home, I can do this. And I'm going to put it in the oven even though it's not even preheated yet. And I am going to clean up that oil. So this is going to sit in a 325 to 350 oven for, I don't know, 2 hours, 2.5 hours, and then I'll decide whether or not I'm going to cut it up for something else. We might do taco night with it. We might just have the roast itself. We'll see later. Alrighty, that is good to go. And that is a quick roast pork dinner, and we'll talk to you later.